So we start off today's video with this amazing hair color transformation. Wow, beautiful burgundy red lob haircuts. This is absolutely amazing. What a transformation. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today's video is going to feature a variety of hair transformations. So if you have been thinking of shaking things up with a brand new hairstyle, this channel is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have a gorgeous tousled bob makeover, followed by somebody rocking a lob. Now we already saw the before and after with this one. Gorgeous bangs are being added to frame out the face. And of course, the stylist is adding in some curls for that tousled effect. Beautiful. Here we have someone rocking some beautiful cherry cola hair and some volumized curls. Now I am going to do a whole video featuring the cherry cola trend. It is one of the hottest hair color trends that we're seeing right now, popularized of course by TikTok. It's like a very soft burgundy reddish tone. So next up we move on to someone who has super long hair. I'd say about tailbone length or so. Looks like she did a slight cut and got some layers put in as well. Gorgeous. So if you have been growing your hair out and you're looking for a new way to just kind of take things to another level, layers are a great option. You can give your hair more shape and volume without cutting too much of your hair. So here we have someone with long hair yet again. Looks like the stylist is adding in some shape to her hair. Curtain bangs to frame out the face. Beautiful. I love the feathered effect that the curtain bangs adds to the hair, just so gorgeous. The perfect way to shake up boring strands. so she is going quite short with this one. Looks like she might be getting a pixie. Wow, what a transformation. So she ended up getting an asymmetrical pixie, long bangs on the front. Gorgeous. And then we have someone who's going to be getting a bob haircut. Beautiful blunt bob cut. Absolutely gorgeous. And this one ends just around or just above the shoulders. It looks like she wanted a low maintenance style because she's pregnant. Definitely a great option. Oh, wow. Gorgeous fresh color change. I love the texture of her hair. So pretty. She has so much volume and it really was enhanced by the color. So pretty. Very nice dimension added with the color too. Then we see someone else with long tailbone length hair, waist length hair, very long hair. Looks like she's gonna get some color. Oh, money piece highlights, gorgeous. So pretty. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of the hairstyles that were in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.